is Lisa Lasorda, a proud member of our Temptations team.
Yeah.
Tara is away this week. She is sourcing new products for Temptations. We're so excited about the things she's working on.
Wait till you see.
She'll be back with us a week from tonight, I understand.
That's correct.
Yeah. But in the meantime, we are thrilled to have you with us.
Thank you, David.
And this is, I believe, the largest set you sell at.
Yeah, it's one of the largest
One of the largest sets from Temptations.
Mm-hmm.
This is 17 pieces. And the crown jewel, the centerpiece of this collection, is that giant platter.
Yeah, and now this is the largest platter. It's that 18-inch platter. Now, even if you've been collecting Temptations, you're going to see sizes and shapes that we've never done before. That 18-inch platter has the beautiful ruffled edge and that well-designed, the only platter that we have that looks like this. And then, David, look what we've done. Shallow, low-profile oval bakers. Again, following that gorgeous ruffled edge design, 4.5 quarts in capacity.
You're going to serve paella in this.
Yes.
You're going to serve pasta in this.
Yeah.
You're going to do, I could do a giant platter of mussels or clams.
Would this be fantastic? 4.5 quart capacity. You can even roast right inside of
here.
here.
And I love that it's so shallow. You could put a pork loin in here, a beef tenderloin. Remember, you can roast in the oven in this up to 500 degrees.
Up to 500 degrees.
Because this is stoneware.
Yeah, absolutely. And then we're going to follow that with that great 3.5 quart. Notice how I'm nesting as I go. So although it's 17 pieces, it's just going to take up the footprint of that 18-inch platter, then a 3-quart oval. We have never done these shapes and these low profiles in any other set before.
It's amazing. And I love the lower profile, but we're not sacrificing the quantity inside.
Exactly.
Basically, we're just, instead of a deeper dish, we're doing a wider and more shallow dish.
Exactly. 13 quart capacity overall in this set. We know how much you love covered ramekins, so we're giving you 2 beautiful 16-inch, again, that beautiful scallop-shaped design right there. Here's what I love about it, how you can nest as you go, even though we're putting all these pieces together. How about 8-inch ramekins? We know how much you love them for your dips, your sauces, your olives, all your condiments. Look at that.
For all the ingredients of taco night.
Oh, taco night. Look at this. 2 4-inch tidbits. We have never done these before. Olives, nuts, things like that. Take your lids, just tuck them in the side. I'm still not finished. 2 mini mitts here with the updated silicone dots on the other side. Everybody loves these, embroidered right there. And then 10 recipes to get you jump started, like 5 cheese mac and cheese, bacon and balsamic onion,
cheese mac and cheese
preserves to get you jump started. We're going to give you 2 plastic snap-on storage covers that go with 2 of the ovals. This entire set is amazing.
Oh. And that's Floral Lace Blue, most popular. Let me take you through the other color choices we have. We'll begin with Floral Lace up top, and probably, Lisa, closest to you, we'll begin with the Floral Lace in the green.
So pretty.
400 sets in that green.
Got it.
Moving on from that is the red, very popular, then the cranberry, then the light blue.
Love that, David.
Some might call it Carolina blue, I know I would. And then from there we go to eggplant in the Floral Lace. This is the, say it with me, chocolate. And then I've got it for you in spice. And then finally I have it for you in Floral Lace black. Now, if you want Old World, we are much more limited in every color.
Okay, got it.
Okay, Old World green, 300 left.
Wow.
Old World blue, fewer than 150. Hello. Old World red, 350. Cranberry, fewer than 300. Eggplant, 150. Brown,
Love that.
320. That's what you and I collect. Here it is in the spice. 150, and finally the black. 200 left in the black. This is one of the largest sets of Temptations we offer, with 17 total pieces. And do we have confetti out here? Seems like we have confetti too. Do we have? Is it out here?
No, it's not out.
Okay, we'll get a sample of the confetti. I'm told we have quantity in the
Okay,
in the
fantastic.
confetti. Okay, so we'll let you know if you're a confetti lover, we've got that available too.
Awesome.
I love that you included these smaller mitts.
I know, aren't these
they
great?
are huge customer requests.
Exactly.
Everybody who loves Temptations has been asking me these little mitts, and I love them in my kitchen because they're just so handy. Yeah, sure, they're puppets, but they're also just so handy because they allow you to get right onto the handles of pans.
I love this.
And casserole dishes, whatever you're taking out of the oven. More importantly, your Temptations, right?
Yeah, and they're great in small spaces like microwaves and toaster ovens, things like that. So I love that.
Hot bowl of soup out of the microwave, right?
Oh my gosh, yeah. But David, look at this.
Oh,
On the platter.
my word.
Oven safe to 500 degrees.
Y'all need to buckle up.
Have you been watching some football lately?
Chelsea, you ready for this? Look at this platter o' nachos.
Yeah, it's football season, it's baking season, and Temptations is there for you because it's oven safe to 500 degrees.
Holy
Microwave
macaroni,
safe.
look at that.
I know, refrigerator, freezer safe, but look
Wait,
at
is
this.
that sausage?
So there is crumbled sausage, mozzarella cheese, olives, peppers, onions, You hungry?
Oh my word.
You want to dig in?
Yes.
Oh, okay, well, you're allowed to.
All right, well, I'll yes.
Yeah, so love
Yes.
this. So on the platter, we have our nachos, and then come on over here. In those low-profile oval bakers that are great for casseroles, you can do things like cornbread. Put some, I love this, David. Look at the pepperoni that we turned into a football. Slightly distracted here. Oh, by the way, there's this great cookbook that we heard about.
Nice.
We love this.
Did Mark Charles drop that off?
You know, yeah, we went over and got it.
It probably fell off
How do you
his
like
cart.
that?
All right. 200 of these sets are gone. Very, very popular. But remember, when we're talking stoneware, we're talking about keeping hot, like our nachos, but also keeping hello dip.
I know. Cold,
And you know what?
cold.
Fly, Eagles, fly. They're playing this weekend.
Yeah, we had a good game on Sunday, didn't we?
Yeah, we did.
Yeah.
Doesn't matter how you win as long as you get the finish line, right?
I know. Well, yeah, there's a kicker out here somewhere. We have some little footballs over there.
It was a pretty exciting
It was
game.
an exciting game. What I love about this set is when you first look at it, you think elegant, perfect. I need it for the holidays. This is how you turn it into every day. So it's that great seasonless set for you.
Isn't that nice?
Isn't
Big
that
bowl
so
of
pretty?
chips, and then you got the queso, you got the guacamole,
We did our
and
little
the salsa.
cupcakes in here. Look over here. We did our mozzarella sticks wrapped in bacon, and then a huge chili down in the front.
Oh, hello, old friend. Oh, my word, this is amazing. I love the game day football tables. Aren't they fantastic? Oh, my word. And wings, too. Imagine these platters full of your favorite buffalo wings, right?
That's exactly right.
Or those Corky's roasted wings that are coming up in Sunday's show.
I love that. And then with all the minis, you can do all your dipping sauces, everything that you need to complete your meal.
Okay.
You're liking that, aren't you? Exactly.
The sausage is an unexpected and pleasant touch.
Isn't it awesome?
You don't always think about sausage on nachos.
And you can do chorizo, too, if you want a little bit of kick.
But I like that one. That's some nice, flavorful sausage. All right, walk us through what we get, and we're going to quickly go through colors.
Yeah, absolutely. So let's start with the smallest ones. Brand new, never done before, are 2 4-inch tidbits plates right there. Then we're going to give you 4 of the 8-ounce ramekins. These are great for dips, sauces, but you saw us do them as cupcakes as well. How about these covered ramekins? Thank you, David. 16-ounce capacity, 10 recipes to get you jump-started, and then 3 oval bakers that we've never done before. A 3-quart, a 3.5 quart, and a 4.5 quart. And then the anchor of this set is going to be that gorgeous platter, and of course the mini mitts that are updated with the silicone dots on either side.
I'm looking to see what your 5 cheeses are in the mac and cheese.
Yeah, you like that?
So American Gouda, cheddar, mozzarella, that's 4, and then topped with grated Parmesan.
So I have to tell you, adding Gouda is a real, talk about unexpected.
Love Gouda.
It's really good.
And if you really want to make it nice, add smoked Gouda.
Oh, look at you, all fancy.
You know, you could also buy the smoked Gouda with bacon up in it.
I saw that in the grocery store.
Right?
Did you invent that?
I wish I had, but I did not. All right, let's go over here. Closest to you is Floral Lace. Oh, I'm sorry. Floral Lace Blue up top. I have 450 in the Floral Lace Blue. Closest to you is Floral Lace Green, then red, then the cranberry, then light blue. Here's your eggplant, chocolate, spice, and the black. But if you want any of the Old World, I will tell you they're all getting limited. This is Old World Green, 250. Old World Blue, 100. Here's the confetti.
There it is.
300. Red, 330. Cranberry, 250. Eggplant, what you and I collect, the brown.
Love this.
And then the spice, 150. And finally the black. 200 left in the black. This is 4 easy payments of $25 each. One of the largest sets of Temptations we offer, and the one that features the largest platter you offer.
And the largest platter. When you think about everything it replaces, the platters, whether you're pulling out the white boringware, the cookie sheets, or maybe metal or glass or aluminum, or just your throwaway pieces, the fact that these are oven safe, David, up to 500 degrees, microwave, refrigerator, freezer safe, and this goes seasonless. So this could be your Mother's Day that we're looking at right here.
Your summer 4th of July fruit salad that you'll take to the barbecue, or your potato salad or macaroni salad, all the things we love in the summertime, right?
Exactly. Look at it for roasting. So doing those pork roasts, the rack of lamb. It's just amazing. That 4.5 quart capacity, 3.5 and 3 quart in the oval will be your casserole dishes.
All of this coming together for you at a really phenomenal price. And to remind you also, let me just grab my card here and mention, comparable retail value on this is $167. We are over $67 less.
Amazing.
This is an extraordinary item. You're coming up a little later with another item.
No.
Looking forward to
one of my
that.
faves.
Some great organization items coming up. Hey, but also to let you know, California Innovations